Welcome to this complete Geneva, Switzerland guide. Geneva, a gem nestled between the French Alps and the hilly terrain of Jura, sits at the southern tip of expansive Lake Geneva. This city, known for its Red Cross headquarters and the United Nations office, is a global hub for diplomacy and banking, but it's not all suits and ties. Geneva also boasts a rich tapestry of history and culture woven over centuries and still vibrantly alive today. With its heart beating in French, Geneva offers a delightful fusion of Swiss efficiency and French charm. Its cobblestone streets whisper tales from the past, while modern architecture stands testament to its progressive spirit. From its iconic Jet d'eau fountain to the stunning St. Pierre Cathedral, Geneva is a city that will captivate your senses and steal your heart. So pack your bags as we are about to explore the top 15 things to do in Geneva. Starting off our journey, we have the Jet d'eau. This breathtaking water fountain, one of the tallest in the world, proudly stands as a true symbol of Geneva. Nestled in the heart of Lake Geneva, the Jet d'eau propels water to an astonishing 140 meters. That's nearly as high as the Great Pyramid of Giza. Brought to life in the late 19th century, this marvel was not initially intended to be a tourist attraction. Believe it or not, it was merely a safety valve for a hydraulic power network. However, its impressive height made it an instant hit, and it was soon moved to its current, more visible location. Here's a fun fact for you. The speed at which the water leaves the nozzle is a whopping 200 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the average speed of a Formula One car. A symbol of Geneva's ingenuity and beauty, the Jet d'eau is a must-see. Next, we step back in time as we explore the Old Town, or Vieille Ville. Tucked away in Geneva's heart, the Old Town invites us into a labyrinth of charming cobbled streets, each one whispering tales of the city's vibrant past. As we wander, we stumble upon quaint cafes, their aroma of freshly ground coffee beans teasing our senses, inviting us to take a moment and soak in the surroundings. Historical landmarks dot the landscape, including the iconic St. Pierre Cathedral, standing tall since the 12th century. Each corner turned, every alley ventured, reveals a new facet of Geneva's rich tapestry. The Old Town, with its fusion of architecture from various epochs, serves as a living museum, narrating the city's journey from a modest settlement to the cosmopolitan hub it is today. The Old Town isn't just a place, it's an experience. It's a time capsule, capturing the essence of Geneva. Walking through the Old Town is like flipping through the pages of Geneva's rich history. Now let's shift gears and visit the Palace of Nations. This imposing structure isn't just an architectural marvel, it's also the European headquarters of the United Nations. Imagine the myriad of world-changing decisions that have been made within these walls. The Palace of Nations has been a witness to history, hosting numerous significant events. It's where diplomats and world leaders convene to discuss global challenges and seek solutions. It's where peace treaties have been signed and where the world has come together in times of crisis. Each room of the palace has a story to tell, from the assembly hall, where the General Assembly meetings take place, to the council chamber, where powerful speeches have been delivered. This is the beating heart of international diplomacy, where the course of history is often decided. For those interested in international relations and history, the Palace of Nations is a must-visit. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of our collective pursuit of peace and progress. After the Palace of Nations, it's time to relax with a stroll around Lake Geneva. This majestic body of water is more than a scenic backdrop to Geneva, it's the city's beating heart. As you meander along the lake's edge, the panorama unfolds like a living postcard. Majestic mountains, quaint villages, and lush vineyards frame the sparkling water, creating a tableau that's nothing short of enchanting. The lake is a playground for both locals and visitors. It's not uncommon to see families picnicking on the grassy banks or birdwatchers peering into the trees. The lake is home to a variety of bird species, making it a paradise for ornithologists. You may also come across joggers and cyclists making the most of the picturesque trails. There's no rush here, though. The beauty of a stroll around Lake Geneva is the chance to slow down, to soak in the views, the sounds, the scents. A stroll around Lake Geneva offers a tranquil escape in the heart of the city. Next on our list is the breathtaking St. Pierre Cathedral. A stone's throw from the heart of Geneva, this towering structure boasts over 1,000 years of history, whispering tales of the past with every stone. The cathedral's architecture is a fascinating blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles, a testament to the many hands that shaped it over centuries. As you wander through the cathedral's hallowed halls, you'll marvel at the intricate details etched into the stonework, the quietly imposing organ, and the beautifully preserved stained glass windows. The cathedral's crown jewel, however, is the panoramic view from the top. Climbing the 257 steps of the North Tower might take a bit of effort, but the reward is a stunning vista of Geneva that stretches out to the horizon. The cathedral isn't just a place of worship, but also a symbol of Geneva's rich cultural tapestry. St. Pierre Cathedral is a testament to Geneva's architectural prowess and religious history. Now, let's delve into the world of luxury watches at the Patek Philippe Museum. A treasure trove of horological artistry, the Patek Philippe Museum showcases over 5 centuries of watchmaking history. This isn't just a collection of timepieces, it's an anthology of innovation, precision, and craftsmanship. A testament to Geneva's illustrious legacy in the art of watchmaking, the museum houses an array of exquisite timepieces, each a marvel of engineering and aesthetics from different eras, from lavishly decorated pocket watches of the 16th century to the intricate wristwatches of today. Each piece tells a story of the evolving tastes, styles, and breakthroughs in watch technology. And then there's the Patek Philippe collection itself. A stunning display of the brand's iconic creations. Each watch is a testament to the company's enduring commitment to horological perfection. It's a fascinating exploration of the company's 200 years of watchmaking excellence. A visit to the Patek Philippe Museum is a journey through time, showcasing Geneva's world-renowned watchmaking heritage. Next, let's take a leisurely walk through the English Garden, or Jardin Anglais. This verdant oasis in the heart of Geneva is a feast for the senses. Picture this, a kaleidoscope of vibrant blooms, each one chosen carefully to paint a living canvas across the seasons. With every step, you're greeted by the sweet, heady perfume of blossoming flowers, a symphony of scents that embodies the spirit of this enchanting city. Don't forget to marvel at the garden's intricate sculptures, each one a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Among them, the famous L'Horloge Fleurie, or flower clock, stands out. This unique timepiece, adorned with thousands of vivid flowers, is a testament to Geneva's long-standing tradition of watchmaking. The English Garden isn't just a place to admire nature's artistry. It's a sanctuary where you can lose yourself in the serene ambience, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The English Garden offers a colourful and tranquil retreat in the heart of Geneva. Now let's pay a visit to the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. This remarkable institution is far more than a museum. It's a beacon of hope, a testament to humanity's capacity for compassion and resilience. The museum's mission is to promote peace, humanitarian principles, and health. The Red Cross and Red Crescent have been at the forefront of emergency response and humanitarian aid for over a century, and this museum captures their incredible journey beautifully. Through its interactive exhibits, the museum brings to life the stories of individuals who've been touched by the work of these organizations. You'll witness the profound impact of their work, from disaster relief to health initiatives and conflict resolution. The museum's exhibits are immersive, engaging, and deeply moving, offering a glimpse into the heart of humanitarian action. A visit to this museum offers a powerful and humbling experience, reminding us of the value of humanitarian work. Next, let's explore the wonders of nature at the Museum of Natural History. This museum is like a time capsule, capturing millions of years of Earth's history under one roof. It's home to an impressive collection of over 1 million specimens, making it a veritable trove of scientific discovery. Imagine standing face to face with a towering dinosaur, its fossilized remains telling a tale of a time long gone. These colossal creatures once roamed our world, and their remnants now serve as a stark reminder of the planet's ever-changing story. But the journey doesn't end there. The museum also presents a detailed diorama of regional wildlife. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, each creature is showcased in stunning detail, replicating their natural habitats. It's like stepping into a Swiss forest without ever leaving the city. The Museum of Natural History is a treasure trove for nature lovers and curious minds. Now let's venture out of the city and take a day trip to Mount Salève. Just a stone's throw away from Geneva, this majestic mountain offers a stunning bird's-eye view of the city and beyond. The journey up to its summit is an adventure in itself, with a thrilling cable car ride that effortlessly lifts you over 1,000 meters above sea level. Once at the top, you're treated to a panorama that stretches from the Jura Mountains to Mont Blanc, with the sparkling Lake Geneva nestled in between. But the beauty of Mount Salève doesn't stop at the views. It's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with well-marked trails for hikers of all levels and even opportunities for paragliding for the more adventurous souls. Whether you're seeking a peaceful picnic spot, a challenging hike, or an adrenaline-filled flight, Mount Salève has something for everyone. A day trip to Mount Salève offers an exhilarating escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Back in the city, let's immerse ourselves in culture at the Museum of Art and History. This remarkable institution is an oasis of creativity and knowledge, housing an incredible diversity of collections. Its walls whisper tales of the past through artifacts, while the vibrant brushstrokes of countless masterpieces speak volumes of artistic journeys. The museum is a treasure trove of fine art, with paintings and sculptures spanning centuries and continents. From Renaissance masterpieces to contemporary creations, there's something to captivate every art enthusiast. But the museum isn't just about art, it's a gateway to the past, with archaeological exhibits that trace human history back to prehistoric times. Expect to be enthralled by ancient relics, medieval armory, and more. And let's not forget the applied arts section, where craftsmanship meets practicality. Here you'll find a fascinating array of ceramics, textiles, and jewelry, each piece a testament to human ingenuity. The Museum of Art and History is a must-visit for art lovers and history buffs. Next, let's enjoy the greenery at the Conservatory and Botanical Garden. This oasis in the city thrives with life, boasting a diverse array of plant species. Each leaf, petal, and stem tells a different story, a testament to nature's incredible variety. From the towering trees to the delicate orchids, the garden is a living tapestry of color and texture. Venture into the conservatory and you'll discover a world of botanical wonders. Collections of exotic plants from around the globe are housed here, each one carefully curated and preserved. It's a bit like stepping into a different corner of the world with each new room you enter. As you wander through this verdant paradise, soak in the peaceful atmosphere. Listen to the rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, the soft hum of insects. It's a symphony of natural sounds that soothes the soul. A visit to the Conservatory and Botanical Garden is a breath of fresh air in the heart of Geneva. Now let's indulge in some retail therapy along Rue du Rhône. This is Geneva's answer to the Champs-Élysées, a magnificent avenue lined with luxury boutiques, world-class watch stores, and tantalizing Swiss chocolate shops. Here, fashionistas and horology enthusiasts alike can find their paradise. Rue du Rhône has an allure that's hard to resist. The sparkling window displays of high-end brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Prada invite you in for a closer look. For those with a penchant for precision timepieces, the watch shops here are a sight to behold. They host an array of Swiss brands, from the timeless elegance of Patek Philippe to the cutting-edge designs of Tag Heuer. And what's a stroll in Switzerland without some chocolate? The chocolate shops along Rue du Rhône are a treat for the senses, offering an array of Swiss chocolates that are as beautiful to look at as they are delightful to taste. Rue du Rhône offers a shopping experience that's quintessentially Geneva. Finally, let's round off our journey with a boat cruise on Lake Geneva. Now imagine yourself gently gliding across the serene expanse of this majestic lake. The cool breeze brushes your face and the sun's golden rays dance upon the rippling waters, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. From the comfort of your boat, you can soak in panoramic views of Geneva's skyline, punctuated by the towering Jet d'eau and the city's rich architectural heritage that nestles gracefully along the shoreline. And if you look closely, you might just spot the stunning Mont Blanc peeking above the horizon. Different types of cruises cater to diverse preferences, whether you fancy a romantic twilight cruise with your loved one, a leisurely afternoon tour with friends, or a fun-filled family adventure. There's a boat ride for everyone. And as the day draws to a close, watch as the city lights begin to twinkle, reflecting on the water's surface in a symphony of colors. A boat cruise on Lake Geneva offers a unique perspective of the city and a perfect end to your Geneva adventure. And there you have it, the top 15 things to do in Geneva. From taking a refreshing stroll around the picturesque Lake Geneva to experiencing the grandeur of the Palace of Nations, we've wandered through Geneva's most enticing spots. We've delved into the city's rich history in the Old Town and admired the intricacies of time at the Patek Philippe Museum. Our journey took us to the stunning Pierre Cathedral and the vibrant flower clock, not forgetting the intriguing International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. We've explored the natural wonders at the Museum of Natural History and the Conservatory and Botanical Garden. The day trip to Mount Salève provided a refreshing escape, and the shopping spree along Rue du Rhône a delightful indulgence. We wrapped up the adventure with a serene boat cruise on Lake Geneva. From historical landmarks to natural wonders, Geneva offers a diverse array of experiences. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your time in this beautiful city. Until next time, happy travels.